Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to Paper Cut. Today we're talking about free backup solutions, or specifically, Cobian Backup. Now there are many sources out there that cite Cobian as being one of the best free backup solutions, so let's hop in and check it out. Alright, we're going to go out and hit this in 4 steps. We're going to download it, we'll install it, we'll set it up, and like always, we'll test it. So step 1 is download it. Okay, to start, let's open up our browser and type in Cobian Backup. What you're looking for is this icon right here. Go ahead and select the site. Click on Downloaded here. And click on the most current version, which is Gravity. You'll be prompted to save, go ahead and do so. And the file's pretty small, you can see it is now complete. Step 2, install. Okay, for the install, go ahead and open up your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder and double click on the Cobian Backup setup. You'll be prompted by Windows, go ahead and say yes, close the File Explorer, and let's begin the install. Go ahead and select your language of choice, I'll leave it on English, and I'll hit next. Read through the user agreement, and once you've done so, accept the conditions, and hit next. Choose where you want this to be stored, as well as add any icons or shortcuts, and hit next. Finally, you'll choose your installation type, and for the demo, I'm going to have this auto start for the current user, and I'm going to hit next. Now from here, you would install it. I've already done so, so I'll hop into the next step, which is setup. Alright, so for the setup, open Cobian by opening the system tray and double clicking on this icon. Once Cobian is open, go into the left window, right click, and create a new task. The first thing you'll need to do is name the task. Once you have named your task, go to the left hand side and click on Files. This is where you're going to choose what you're going to back up and where you're going to back up to. To choose what you're going to back up, under the source window, click on Add. Choose either a file or a directory which you want to back up. In our case, I'm going to back up our Documents folder under Paper Cut. Once you have chosen that directory, go ahead and hit OK. Next, you need to choose where this will be backed up to. Under Destination, click on Add and choose your directory. Now in our case, I'm going to back this up directly to the desktop so we can see it firsthand, and I'll hit OK. From here, there are a multitude of settings you could set up, but for the demo, I will proceed and hit OK. Alright, step 4, let's test it. Click on the backup and select play. When you do so, Cobian's going to double check that you want to do this, as well as ask you if you want to shut down your computer once the task is completed. In my case, I'll leave the box unchecked and I'll hit OK. It's not going to take that long. And there we go, we have now successfully backed up to our desktop. Alright, so that was Cobian Backup. Hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please like and share this. I'll see you next time.